Hey, food enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the delicious and savory world of American pepper steak. Stick around as we explore this classic dish and uncover fascinating facts you probably didn't know. Let's get started. Pepper steak, a beloved dish in American Chinese cuisine, has a rich history that dates back to the mid-20th century. It's a perfect blend of flavors, bringing together tender beef, bell peppers, and a savory sauce. While pepper steak is popular in America, its roots lie in Chinese cooking. The dish is inspired by Chinese stir-frying techniques and the use of soy sauce as a primary seasoning. Did you know that the American version of pepper steak often includes ingredients like Worcestershire sauce and sometimes even ketchup? These additions give it a unique flavor that's different from its Chinese counterparts. Pepper steak can vary significantly by region. In some parts of the country, you might find it served with rice, while in others, it could be paired with mashed potatoes or even noodles. Pepper steak has made its mark in American pop culture too. It's featured in numerous TV shows and movies as a go-to comfort food, symbolizing the fusion of American and Chinese culinary traditions. Today, chefs across America are putting their own spins on pepper steak. You'll find everything from gluten-free options to gourmet versions with premium cuts of beef. Pepper steak can be surprisingly nutritious. With lean protein from the beef and vitamins from the bell peppers, it's a well-rounded meal that can fit into a balanced diet. Pepper steak became popular in American Chinese restaurants in the 1940s and 1950s, especially in New York City. Many families have their own secret recipes for pepper steak, often passed down through generations. While green bell peppers are traditional, many modern recipes incorporate red, yellow, and orange peppers for added sweetness and color. Marinating the beef in soy sauce, garlic, and ginger can enhance the flavor and tenderness of the meat. The best pepper steak is often cooked in a wok, which allows for high heat and quick cooking, preserving the crunchiness of the vegetables. Variations of pepper steak can be found in cuisines around the world, including Filipino and Brazilian dishes. Pepper steak is a quick dish to prepare, often taking less than 30 minutes from start to finish. In addition to rice, pepper steak is often served with lo mein or chow mein noodles in American Chinese restaurants. The savory sauce often includes a mix of soy sauce, oyster sauce, and cornstarch for thickening. The concept of stir-frying meat with vegetables dates back to ancient China, making pepper steak a dish with deep historical roots. Traditionally, pepper steak uses affordable cuts of beef, like flank or sirloin, making it a cost-effective meal. Adding a splash of rice vinegar or a bit of sugar can balance the flavors in the sauce. Meal prep favorite. Pepper steak is a popular choice for meal prep because it reheats well and retains its flavor. You can easily adapt pepper steak to be vegetarian by using tofu or mushrooms instead of beef. In some regions, pepper steak is popular as street food, served in portable containers with rice. Bell peppers are rich in vitamins A and C, making the dish nutritious as well as delicious. In some Chinese American communities, pepper steak is a popular dish during Lunar New Year celebrations. The key to a good pepper steak is quick cooking at high heat, which keeps the meat tender and the peppers crisp. Pepper steak's blend of savory and slightly sweet flavors appeals to a wide range of palates. During World War II, the dish gained popularity as a way to stretch limited meat supplies with vegetables. Using low-sodium soy sauce and lean cuts of beef can make the dish healthier without sacrificing flavor. Pepper steak is a staple in many Chinese takeout menus across America. Stir-frying the beef separately before adding it to the vegetables can enhance the dish's texture and flavor. Fresh ginger and garlic are essential ingredients that add depth to the dish. The dish can be made gluten-free by using tamari or coconut aminos instead of soy sauce. Adding a touch of crushed red pepper or fresh chilies can give the dish a spicy kick. A sprinkle of sesame seeds on top adds a nice crunch and nutty flavor. A splash of rice wine or sherry can add complexity to the sauce. Coating the beef with cornstarch before cooking helps to thicken the sauce and keeps the meat tender. In summer, pepper steak can be lightened up with additional fresh vegetables like zucchini or tomatoes. Cutting the beef against the grain ensures that it stays tender during cooking. Using different types of peppers, such as Anaheim or Poblano, can give the dish a unique twist. Pepper steak represents a perfect example of cultural fusion, blending Chinese cooking techniques with American tastes. Because it cooks so quickly, pepper steak is an excellent choice for a fast and satisfying weeknight dinner. The best pepper steak balances salty, sweet, and savory flavors, creating a harmonious dish. Combining beef with bell peppers provides a good balance of protein, fiber, and vitamins. Many American Chinese restaurants list pepper steak as one of their most popular dishes. Making the sauce from scratch allows you to control the ingredients and customize the flavor to your liking. Pepper steak makes for great leftovers, often tasting even better the next day as the flavors meld. Preparing pepper steak at home allows for endless customization, letting you create a dish that perfectly suits your taste. Pepper steak provides a good source of protein, essential for muscle building and repair. The dish's use of vegetables alongside meat makes it an economical option for feeding a family. Pepper steak is a dish that encourages culinary creativity, allowing cooks to experiment with different spices and ingredients. The dish can be made in large quantities, making it perfect for parties and gatherings. Above all, pepper steak is a flavorful feast that satisfies the palate and warms the soul. So, next time you enjoy a plate of pepper steak, remember, it's more than just a delicious meal. It's a dish with a rich history and a story to tell. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel.